Hey there! I was recently asked how to do Bramson rolls, especially if you could do them with a single staff or a double staff, and how you work your way up to 3 staffs. So I thought I would start and do a small tutorial. I always say when you're working on a juggling pattern, make sure you can do it with 1 staff first. Then you work your way up to 2 and 3 and maybe more. For a Bramson roll, you're going to have your hand about 1/4 of the way into the staff, thumb pointed towards the end, and you're going to go native shoulder. So right hand to right shoulder. You're going to catch down by your hip, and you're going to catch it in what's called a bottle grip with my thumb pointed to the end. So as I touch my native shoulder, rolls down, and I catch right there in this bottle grip. Then I simply pass it with a half rotation back, and I repeat. Of course, with any of these tricks, you can also do it the other way. Or you could do it in reverse. But we're just going to focus on the normal Bramson roll right now. So work on that guy, get it down nice and solid. Work on your posture. I tend to lean over a little bit just to give my back more space to roll on. If I'm standing straight up, it tends to fall much quicker and it's a little bit more difficult to catch. So I like to give a little bit of a lean, but keep my head up. If I'm not thinking about it, you'll notice in some of my videos I'm definitely doing this and just focusing on the trick. But I think for an audience, it looks better if you keep an eye contact. Keep your head up. Then to move on to 2, you're going to start with 1 in normal grip, 1 in bottle grip, and then have them together like this. And then I like to start by practicing one, then the other, asynchronous at first. So you throw, pass this off, and then catch the other. So throw, pass, catch, throw, pass, catch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Once you have that down, you can do that a bit and practice throwing that into your double staff flow. And then the next step is to do it synchronous, which means throwing both of these at the same time. I'm going to do the shoulder roll as well as the pass off at the same time. 1, 1. Slightly more difficult, but this is how you advance on to doing it with 3 staffs. Doing it at the same time, synchronous, allows that extra little bit of space to allow the 3rd staff. So when the 3rd staff is in, you're going to start the 1, and then from then on, you go synchronous. So start this guy right here, and then constantly going synchronous. So I start, and then together, together. So that's a quick little tutorial. Hope that's helpful. And it's one of the prettiest patterns because it just looks like these stabs are floating around your body in this beautiful symmetrical shape. Good luck with it, and let me know how you're doing. Send me a message, send me any comments you have, ask me any questions you got, and I'll try to respond. Thanks.